A Day in Life as Disney Princess here in UK. Char, pagod version guys. So eto, nag-ayos-ayos na ako. Today is Saturday, magbe-breakfast kami sa labas at maglakad-lakad kami. Sabi naman ng hubby, no rush daw. So eto, nakapaggayak pa ako, o diba? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, saan mo gusto kumain? Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, kahit saan. So sabi niya, sa Costa daw kami magkakape. So eto, tapos na ako at naka-jacket ako kasi malamig guys. At after ko mag-ayos guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa labas. Of course, that's content.
Yeah, it's like YouTube content though, right? I'd say.
Yeah, just that is just same.
Maybe you should just split it up for TikTok though, right?
What is split it up?
People haven't got a 7-minute brain span. Want like quick content. No?
At malapit na nga kami dito guys, sabi ni hubby magkakape kami sa Costa. Pero nandito na kami, sabi ko sa McDonald's na lang kami magkakapit, saka sakto kakain na din kami ng lunch. So ayan guys, nandito na kami. Tapos magla-lunch kami dito sa may McDo. Nandito na kami sa McDonald's guys at sabi ni hubby ano daw order ko. Sabi ko yung with rice. Tawang-tawa siya sa akin kasi wala palang rice ang McDonald's dito guys. Akala ko meron, buti na lang hindi kami dun sa may counter nag-order kundi pagtatawanan sana ako. So here is our order guys. Yeah. This is for me? Okay, ako. So, coffee. This is the regular?
Large.
Large. Naghahanap ako ng rice dito guys. Wala pala dito. Nagbebenta ng rice sa McDonald's nila. Tapos eto, kakain na kami at nagmarites muna kami, nagsubuan muna kami para sweet kunwari. Tapos ayun guys, sabi ng hubby kung gusto ko daw mamaya tignan yung mga bahay-bahay dun sa malapit sa amin. Sabi ko naman, sige tignan natin mamaya pagka-uwi namin kasi wala naman kaming gagawin. Alam niyo pala guys, yung ketchup nila dito sa McDonald's masarap siya kaysa sa Pilipinas. At pagkatapos namin kumain, ayan, umuwi na kami at naglakad-lakad na lang kami. Tapos ito pala yung bus stop dito malapit sa amin guys. O, 'di ba? Pwede kang diyan, gumala mag-isa. Pero yung bus dito guys, every 2 hours, mga ganun ata yun. Saka on time ang bus dito guys, kaya pag umalis ng 9 talaga. And then pwede mo silang i-chat kung anong oras talaga sila dadating. Kunwari na na late sila konti, ganun. At andito na tayo sa my show home guys. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung real quick neto kasi may video naman ako na full vlog ng show homes guys. So eto, tara pasok na tayo guys. So ayan guys, magtingin tayo ng show house dito. So let's go! Okay, let's go to their living room. Oh, this is their living room. Spacious guys, oh, so nice. Garden. Look at their garden. So nice. Yan, ganyan. Oh, ganyan. Same here, right? Yan. And then you can see the garden here. And then what call this mini?
I guess this would almost be like a conservatory, right? You know, they made this a conservatory, which is not, but it sort of is, right?
Yeah.
Then you can sit out here and just...
conservatory.
It's not, but it's...
Very nice. Classy. Okay guys, let's eat now. Social.
That is just for rice.
Oh, they
And
get
adobo.
diamante guys, oh.
Jumanji.
Diamante, diamond.
Oh, she's
Mayaman
stealing.
sila guys, oh.
Thief.
May
Lara Croft.
diamante sila. Come with me. Ta-da-da. Oy, habi, may sabi is big.
She's always eating.
This is their second room. This is the house. Second room. So guys, next house naman tayo. This is 4 bedroom guys. Na detached home. And our basket. Knock knock. Ding ding. Okay. What I want. This is their living room. Nice. Garage.
The grave.
Garage. Tapos nandito yung boiler nila. Ito yung garage. Show them. Their dining table. Look. And then this is their kitchen. This is their kitchen, and you see the garden. Ayan. Guys, ang garden niya. Their garden. Room for the kids. I think I'm just for the kids. But grabe, ang galing ng ano nila, interior design. Tapos ito naman guys, tignan nyo naman yung ano niya. White naman siya. Mirror on the wall. I like their back, what do you call this?
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. So ayan guys, tapos na kami magtingin ng mga bahay-bahay. Pupunta na kami ng bahay. Magtingin kami ng bahay-bahay, tapos pauwi na kami. Shortcut tayo. Dito tayong shortcut. Yung mga nag-walking na lang dito. Di nadudumihan yung sapatos mo dito guys. Kasi malinis. So yun lamang for today's video. Bye!